The beauty of a modern aircraft in flight highlights the importance of good design. Bridges, cars, trains, and ships all rely on their design to operate. Extensive stress, quality, and safety testing are needed to make sure the design will work. Even the tiniest defect can cost lives. Yet structural tests, even on prototype designs, can require the monitoring of many thousands of measuring points. Design teams have a great deal of responsibility. Nor is it just a matter of technical know-how. These projects demand well-organized management routines. That's where HBM's Catman Enterprise comes in. It's software you can rely on. It's flexible because it suits projects ranging from as few as 30 measuring points to large-scale tests demanding up to 20,000. It supports both centralized and distributed architectures and can be supplied as a turnkey solution. Catman Enterprise works because HBM has listened to its customers. The software's development has benefited from the experiences of nearly 20 leading high-tech companies. Let's take a look at one of our most significant projects, the full-scale fatigue testing of the Airbus A380 at IABG in Dresden. These tests have been ongoing for several years, and thanks to Catman Enterprise, all the measurement data is professionally organized. Test schedules have run smoothly and highly efficiently. A high level of data security was maintained throughout the project's life. Catman Enterprise ensures optimum security by automatic self-checks, wiring checks, and efficient calibration. During the A380 tests, the different flight phases were simulated almost 50,000 times. This enabled the average stress to be tested for the entire service life of the aircraft. More than 7,000 measuring points recorded data on deformation, pressure, and temperature. This was one of the most thorough and detailed series of design tests ever conceived, thanks to Catman Enterprise. And Catman Enterprise benefits smaller projects. Take the reinforced structure of the FA-18 fighter plane. Swiss authorities needed a complex, large-scale investigation. This required 68 hydraulic cylinders to simulate realistic in-flight stresses. A full-scale fatigue test was also essential. Using Catman Enterprise, over 10,000 flying hours were simulated, captured, and analyzed within 2 years, ensuring swift progress for the project. Some 1,100 strain gauges were fitted for the tests. Displacement transducers, temperature and pressure sensors were integrated into the test layout. Looking at the integrated data gave a remarkable insight into the aircraft's structure. And all of this can be achieved with just a few hundred measuring points. Combined with the right hardware, HBM's MGC+, Catman Enterprise is unbeatable. To tell you more, here is HBM's senior developer on the Catman Enterprise team, Johannes Mattes.
Let's look at some of the key aspects of Catman Enterprise. The software comprises 4 main modules. These are configuration, data validation, real-time data acquisition, and the assessment of the acquired data. By simplifying the configuration, Catman Enterprise gets tests running very quickly and helps synchronize the workload. Catman Enterprise uses a definition list that sets up a test point plan without needing the hardware setup for measurement. Drag and drop functionality is provided when connecting to the MGC+. This uses a structured view to navigate through all the channels in any project. It is easy to configure the MGC+, and it can be used for data validation. Prepared data from Excel can be easily imported. Internal checking of the data acquisition amplifiers is supported, while a wiring check tests and reports on every channel within seconds. Catman Enterprise has 2 different modes for data acquisition, one featuring 2 measurement rates and the other with 3 different measurement rates. In the mode with 2 measurement rates, it is possible to use the buffer for high-speed data acquisition. This can be read at any critical point during the test. Tests can be scaled from just 1 up to 60 MGC+, without affecting performance during high-speed measurement. The data server allows participating engineers worldwide to connect and check on specific concerns. The data is stored in a fully traceable data pool with all details recorded once acquisition is complete. Catman Enterprise exports data in a variety of formats such as ASCII, Excel or the ENCODE format, which can be analyzed independently. There is also a special option for fatigue applications with high channel count systems. Analysis of the data is based on load conditions. This option aids with the early identification of critical sections. This is just a brief overview. There are many more features in Catman Enterprise that we are happy to demonstrate.
Catman Enterprise is the best integrated data software for structural tests. It increases project efficiency by reducing time and cost without affecting quality. Catman Enterprise gives you results you can trust and ensures your designs are safe. Every day, HBM software proves its worth by its performance on test benches around the world. Catman Enterprise, another high-quality product from HBM, making the art of engineering design precise and accurate.